Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on BLACKVIEW A70. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here start search for an app. Write Firefox browser and hit the search button. Select this app and click install. And after installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, start customizing it. First, pick the theme for this browser. You can change it from light or dark or set it automatic. You can pick your toolbar placements from bottom or top. Change always on privacy settings from standard to strict. Or sign up to Firefox account in order to synchronize other browsers. You should also read this privacy notice, and after all that, click start browsing. Then you'll be able to use the browser normally. So open any website and it should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.